Hey good people, welcome back to Ballards by Design. I'm doing a garden update. Y'all know we grow bag gardening in our backyard in a small space, and it is quite overgrown. If you don't know, I had surgery and I've kind of been recovering from that, so my husband and children have been taking care of the garden. They've been watering it, so stuff is growing. They did good. Hallelujah. Okay, we're just gonna go with that. But anyway, I just wanted to give y'all a quick update on what's going on out here. Now, stuff is growing. It's growing. And I'm excited. It is growing. So let me let y'all see. I'm quit talking. Look, 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 look. Okay. Look at my bell pepper. It done got big, y'all. My little bell pepper plant. Look at this okra. Y'all see that okra growing on there? Y'all see that? And remember the little bitty okra plant that I had planted? Woo! Oh, sorry, y'all. Bug. I thought it was getting me. Look how big it has gotten. So excited. Okay? That okra is growing really well. It's the okra back there growing really well. Those tomatoes, I'm thinking about just pulling those up because they're still growing though. But so many dead leaves and stuff on them. But they still growing. There's a lot of tomatoes in there. So maybe I just need to leave them alone. The grass is overgrown. Grass is growing in them, y'all. Oh well. The strawberries are coming back. What is this? Okay, we got some peppers on here. Whatever peppers that is. What is that? Jalapenos? Okay. Over here. This Swiss chard looks bad, but it's okay. Now this is very overgrown, but as you can see, it's a lot of these little West Indian gherkins. We have to get all those off. And as you see how bad that looks, but there's a lot of pear tomatoes back there, so we got to get those off too. Now see this, I don't know if it's gonna do anything because it's so pretty and it grows nice and green, but that's about it. It's not producing any berries, and I'm not sure why, because the little one over there, and my flowers are coming back too. They're looking pretty. But hold on, y'all. When I say I am proud of this whole honeydew melon right here. I don't know if it's any more in there hiding or whatever, but honey, I'm happy about that. And this is the new blueberry bush that I got this year. And look at there. Y'all see them blueberries on there? Honey, they are growing. Look at there. See there? Very happy about that. And as you can see, these tomatoes are doing whatever it is they want to do. But they are growing. Okay? But that's it, y'all. All this other stuff is overgrown, but it's okay. It's going to be alright. We're going to get it together. But I just wanted y'all to see. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we love y'all big. Get one more look at that honeydew. Y'all want to laugh? I got excited for nothing. Those not blueberries. They're tomatoes. The tomatoes grew from where they're supposed to be all the way over to where my blueberries are. Not only that, but they killed the blueberry plant. Look at this. I thought this was my blueberry plant. I'm all excited. I'm like, look at all the blueberries, y'all. Look at the blueberries. Honey, this thing done grew all over my blueberries. Just look at it. You see that under there? That was the blueberries. It's dead. Those are tomatoes. Praise the Most High Yah for more tomatoes. It's not blueberries, it's tomatoes. Alright, I just had to let y'all know. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. Love y'all big. Bye.